Interesting. I never never usually see ducks here on this fertile plain. Never really see this many ducks. Seems like everything is, or almost everything's harvested, and then there's a lot of ducks here. Wonder what they're doing. Either they're ducks or goose or whatever. I think they're more like gooses. Sometimes hard to be. Sometimes it's hard to like differentiate between animals. Yeah, a goose kind of looks like a duck, but I think it's definitely a goose. You'll see these flying south during the autumn. They usually come back north when the winter ends. Just gonna tell this migratory birds.